Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OneTab. OneTab is a Chrome extension, so you have to be in Chrome and you have to have this extension already installed. So if you look in the upper right corner here, where my cursor is circling, you'll see the OneTab icon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have all the tabs that you want to save into one category already open on your desktop, on your screen. So in this case, I have all the streaming videos so that I can bring them all up at once and do whatever, watch them all at once. So anyway, so I've got all my tabs open, and now the only thing you have to do, it's so easy, is just click OneTab. So then it moves all of those tabs, all those tabs that were open, into one area, a list of them right here. And from here, you can name it. So I'm going to name this one streaming options. Okay. Now you can, at this point, you can still delete any that you want, but I'm going to leave it right as it is. And I'm going to click this more option, and this allows me to name it, which I've already done. It enables me to lock it, which is a good idea, so that if you remove anything, it won't let you if it's locked. So it's protecting the tabs that you have already chosen. Starring it I love starring it because it puts the most important group of tabs right at the top. So of course, if I were to star video editors, that would go up at the top as well. Okay, so I'm going to unstar this and unstar, here we go, bring streaming options up to the top again. So from here, what you do when you open up first thing in the morning or when you resume working on your computer, all you do is click on the OneTab tab that is always going to be open on your desktop, and you click Restore All. Now watch up at the top of the screen what happens when I click Restore All. See what's happening? Every single one of these tabs is now opening right up here in your tab view. So then you can go to any one of them and do your thing. And basically, that's it. So what else do I want to tell you about this? You can, I think I already said that you can delete things if it's unlocked. That's basically it. And you can make as many as you want, I believe. So that's it for now. And go ahead and give it a try. I think it's really easy to use. If you get confused, just go to YouTube and Google how to use OneTab, and I'm sure you can get some more details on how to use it for yourself. Okay? So thanks for watching, and good luck and have fun.